Hey guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. The Ipsy Glam Bag is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's Glam Bag, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this Glam Bag to try. All right, so the first thing we got is our little card here that says the Beauty Olympics, August 2024. Glam goals, you've got this. And we'll be cheering you on every step of the way. Whether it's a bold winged liner or glass skin routine, show us how you put your unique beauty on the podium and tag us at Ipsy. Then on the inside, it's got some tips and tricks as well as some beauty favorites. You guys, so this month's Glam Bag is so adorable. I love the little varsity look. It is so cute, so colorful, right up my alley. I am in love. On the zipper here, it says Ipsy. And yeah, it's so cute. It's like a pleathery, leathery material. And then these little letters are like cloth with stitching. So adorable. So the first product in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag is the I'm Red Wine Pore Tightening Mask by Moly. This has red wine extract. It's super soothing on the skin, but it's also got a powerful, innovative formula and ingredients that are going to tighten and lift the skin. It's going to diminish large pores as well as increase collagen production. Next in the Glam Bag, we've got the Stone Street Soap House Hey Ho Wholesome Body Souffle. This might be for the body, you guys, but I used it on my face and I absolutely loved it. It's super lightweight. It's got chamomile, celery seed extract, argan and almond oils, and it's like a warm fragrance. On the back here, it says that it smells like a warm haystack on a summer day, but I think it smells so much better than that. Next, we've got the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Matte Primer. And I'm definitely going to be purchasing the full size of this, you guys. As you can see, my face is matte and it's got the right amount of stickiness, so I know my makeup's going to last all day long. Next, we've got this Beauty Sponge by M2U NYC. And you guys, I can't fit it back in here because it puffed up twice its size when I wet it, but it is such cute packaging with the little panda on there, and it definitely got the job done. Last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag, we've got the Beauty Vault Royal Palette. And you guys, this palette is so stunning. All of the colors are so rich, so pigmented, so buttery, so gorgeous. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of August. With the Ipsy Glam Bag option, you get 5 deluxe beauty samples. Subscribers choose 1 product. Everything in the bag is worth up to $70, and it's only $14 a month. Plus, you get a cute makeup bag each month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Glam Bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.